TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Not 100% sure, but I think I'm actually live on all those. Filio. Testing, I guess we can allow that. I swear, I don't think it showed the live the other day. Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Day after. Happy Black Friday. Stream location coming to you not for long. I'm so excited. Today is Friday the 28th, Black Friday. Good morning to everybody. I think we're actually up now. Good morning, Mike Jones, 808. Good morning, people on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Hell, if you're all smart, nobody would be here, but I think people are here. Look at Posty performing at Dallas. How about those boys, by the way? How about them boys? Good morning, Joe Bigga. Happy Thanksgiving to you, Joe. And Mike Jones, 808. I'm not sure my other email went out, so there might not be a lot of people with us. Doesn't matter. I'm just going to get you all set up for the market open. Market open. The market's not going to be open. I think we close at like noon or 1 today. I don't know. What the fuck ever they're doing. I can tell you we're in a daily buy stop for all indices. And that I would play any 30-minute buy stop you can find on all indices until, well, it looks like ES1 hit its line. Let me see over here. Yep, SPX hit its line. Okay, NAS, NQ1 and NAS, free money. US30, YM1, SPX, ES1, all daily take profits that I want you to hit, which are the orange, yellow, and green lines are hit. We have a free money giveaway. If you don't know what that means, that's a pretty good thing. All right, what is today? Good morning, everybody. Morning, Filio. Hey, Kim. What's up, Kim? Good morning, Kim. Morning, Mike. All right, sevens, if you all are clear that US 30, YM1, SPX, and ES1 have all hit their daily orange lines. And we still have more room to go up. So we have a free money giveaway. It is NQ1 and NAS until the daily blue line of the orange daily blue line is hit. And I can give you those exact numbers in just a second. Okay, I'll take that as a 7. Anybody on YouTube still awake? All right. Well, that is your buy stop. Let's get rid of that now. Now, why am I calling this? Just so you guys can see how easy this works. Price action is above its orange line on ES1. Price action is above its orange line on SPX. Price action is above its orange line on US 30 and also YM1. Okay? But for NAS, it hasn't hit its orange line yet. You see this? It's below it. And for NQ1, it's below it. So these are your 2. Free money giveaway for NQ1 and NAS. It's going to be going to the date. Take any 30-minute buy stop that you can find or below. So you can take any 12-hour, 10-hour, 9-hour, 7-hour, 5-hour, 4-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour, blah, 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 all the way down. Just keep taking the buy stops until NAS hits this orange line right here. So these 2 are your favorites. Boop, boop. These 4 have already done exactly as I told you they would do. Markets will be closing a little earlier today, like 12 or 1 or some shit. I have no idea. What's up, Super Z? Morning, Super Z. Good morning, Grant. Morning, DW. Morning, Marley Mar. Thank you, Kim. I have one person listening this morning, Kim. All right. So that should get you guys settled up for what you need to see. You know, obviously, whatever today is going to be no volume. Fuck that. And then Sunday, there's probably going to be very little volume. But I am coming on now to get you guys all set up.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So that when we actually have proper market opening, which will probably be Monday before it even gets anywhere near volume. This is what you're going to do. I would not play any sells. Feel free to do if you like to, but I would never personally play any sells. Sell stops or sells themselves. This is a strictly buyer's market at this time. Just be patient. Let it do what it's got to do. All right. I'm not staying long at all, by the way, just so we're all on the same page. Maybe not even another 30 minutes. I'm sure not even 20, 30 minutes. All right. So that gets everybody cool on that. All right. Super Z. What's up, Filio? Thank you, Filio. Thanks, Coach, for taking time out of your holiday. And thank you all for being here. And we get anywhere, like I was telling you all, from about 200-300 views to about 2,000-3,000 views on a regular. So, yeah, I know most of you appreciate everything. What's up, Lazarus? Good morning, Lazarus, on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Twitter and Twitch. Free money giveaway, NAS NQ1 to their respective daily orange-blue lines. All indices will go up because of it, but NQ1 and NAS are the for sure of the for sure shots. That's what's going to happen. All right. Any other symbols? Any other questions? Any other things? I am going to go over whoever calls out the first symbol. I will go over that symbol for you. What's up, Brexit? Good morning, Brexit. To the chapel, and we're gonna get married and we're gonna have the time of our lives on a... What the heck could this be? Star of the seas. Da, 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 da. This is actually us. We actually did this one day. Let me see if I can click this, make it bigger. Fuck, come on. Let's see. That's Icon of the Seas. Look. This is crazy. So what you're seeing, that's a normal cruise ship over there on the right. Huge cruise ship, I might add. And then that's the Icon. They're called them Icon classes. Yeah, they hold about 10,000 people. About 6,000, 7,000 passengers, 2,000, 3,000 staff. It's about 10,000, 11,000 people it holds. Crazy, though. Where's Star of the Seas? I mean, it's equivalent of 5.5 Titanics is how big it is. Gorgeous, beautiful. It's just amazing. Anywho, we got digressed. I don't know how we got over here. I mean, just look at that shit. Let me see if I can swing in there again. Yeah, I would never book with anyone, but there it is. Look at this damn thing. It's they have 6 water slides, over 25 stories high up on the ship. And of course, my wife Bree, my beautiful wife Bree, has no fears of anything. So I'll be going on this damn thing. You guys better be saying some extra prayers for me. What's up, Crash? I mean, and they have their own central park. You walk, and this is an infinity pull off the back end. This is where you do your little thing. What do they call that? Like on the ship, you can do it. It's not just thinging, but yeah. At any rate, it looks like you fall off the edge of that, by the way, but you can't. And then yeah, and then I wish they just had Star of the Sea stuff. Let me see something real quick. I have no idea, but let's just have fun looking at this. Let's see if something like that. Let's just see something really quick.
Welcome to the Star of the Seas. We're on the very first cruise, and we're going to do a full walkthrough ship tour.
Yeah, they have an ice skating rink.
Sailing out of Puerto Rico, finishing in Port Canal. We're going to take a tour deck by deck, so you'll see exactly how the ship is set up. The Star of the Seas is one of the biggest cruise ships out there on the ocean.
It's not one of, it is the largest cruise ship in the world.
Now, if you have any other questions besides what you see in the tour video, make sure you go down below the description in our Facebook group. You can ask any questions you like. Let's preview deck 15. We're going through the Aqua Dome. This is the Aqua Theater. Over here is Hooked, then the Overlook. This is Ryan Bean Coffee, then the Aqua Dome Market. This is Lime and Coconut. Over here is the Royal Bay Pool, and all the way in the back is the Windjammer Cafe. That's the buffet area. Let's start off.
Boy, do they have a buffet.
Take a look at the Royal Bay Pool. It's one of the many pools that are up here. So here you're going to find plenty of places.
Star of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. What's up, Michelle Galinsky? What's up, Lazarus?
Also a couple of hot tubs up here. It offers a unique experience tailored just for you. On the other side
What's up, Crash?
And Cantina Fresca. In Cantina Fresca, you can enjoy
They have 3 full Starbucks on it.
or margaritas. Next to it, Local Fresh serves up bold Mexican-inspired flavors in a casual air setting. Choose from quesadillas, burritos, and tacos. Look at this salsa bar. You're going to want to load up. They have every type you could ask for. Right in front of El Loco Fresh is a hot tub and this quaint little area that offers really cool seating. And if you look across, you'll be able
Great.
to see the Royal Bay.
I think everything's blown up now.
Next to it, down there is Central Park. Take a look at the
Oh.
pool. It has an infinity edge. You'll enjoy the
Yeah, too much video evidently playing. I'm blowing up my computer again. I had to switch back my computer, though, to the old new one. Boy, I think I really did a number on it, too. What the hell? What the hell? Are we even still live here? Ooh, I think I might have blew up the whole fucking computer. I think you guys on TikTok are okay. Yeah, I don't think we are here, though. Yeah, I'm going to have to kill this. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. Procter & Gamble, baby. Okay. Let's head back over to our safety zone here. Yeah, market's still open. Very slow day. Any holiday before, after, during the holiday, it's slow, slow, slow. What happens? American holiday. What happens is if the American money isn't in the markets are 500 or 1,000% less volume in it than normal. America rules the markets just like it rules everything else. I'm not bragging. I'm just telling you facts that we have the most money. We spend the most money. We save nothing. And we have the most purchasing power, the greatest military, and we always bring up everything, whether it's the stock market, drug prices. They always charge us more, or used to anyways. I think Trump's trying to put an end to that. Thanks, Coach, taking time out. Oops, all that. Yep. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy Thanksgiving pay, dude. All right, we just called out. Look at our weekly. This is interesting right here. Weekly, daily. Buy stop to the blue line. NAS daily. NQ daily. ES1 daily. Free money giveaway. NAS and NQ to the orange lines. Now this is really nice section. I'm glad I could read. Look at Keith giving gifts even after we passed. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. I am going to look at one symbol. Whoever calls out, we're going on, they take you Eastern, Western, Southern Caribbean. Speaking of which, I got to call our taxi guy, message our taxi guy. Howdy, howdy. Does anybody want any symbols? If not, I'll be looking at gold here and going over gold. All right. I wonder if I should whip through all the symbols to get a good read again. I haven't done those in a while. No, I don't have time. All right. I'll do gold. And then we'll Kim Will, Patrick. Ooh, 80% off. That's right. Don't forget about your 80% off sale. All my members have to have TradingView. We get no cutback. You guys just do this at your leisure. Up to 80% off plus 1 month free. Yep. 16 hours. Oh, shit. I got to ask Precious again if you need any of this. Patrick. I don't know what you mean by Patrick Kim. Sorry. Coach, you still like Nike. Oh, I think Kim meant Palatar. PLTR. Okay. Coach, still like Nike. Nike technically was the first one. And yeah, love Nike. Absolutely love Nike. Nike is, oh, there we go. One of the top calls. Some of you guys got to be patient. Do I still like it? Yeah. There you go. A 12-hour daily sell stop. 3-week. 3-month buy stop. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Nike is going to drop as low as $54.20. But I would go the complete opposite way. I thought I already went over this with options with you guys. Take profit, $77.07. Take profit, $95.78. Take profit, $108.25. Take profit, $126.96. And eventually it'll go past $183. Love Nike. Quit thinking short term. Do I still like it? Nike is on my radar for the next 5 years. I love Nike, love Nike, love Nike. I can't recommend.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I can't recommend Nike enough. Now, with our system, you can clearly see the 3-month, 6-month buy stop. But without the system, if you would come over to here and just look at the same time frame, right? The same exact symbol, same exact time frame, but you look at it raw. Okay. Good morning, A Patriot. If you look at a stock raw and you look at this Nike right here, you literally, I mean, I'm guessing at some point you can kind of call this head and shoulders and maybe say it's going to go down. Yeah, I would say that's probably what someone idiotic person would say out there. But yeah, that's not the case. So without the system, obviously everyone starts off raw with their charts. Nothing you can do. So then what do? You panic. You go over to whatever indicators you can find, and you go over to these quote unquote technical indicators, which are not technical, the fundamental indicators, which are not fundamental. There is nothing fundamental about any of these things. Zero. Okay. So none of these things actually matter, but you can put them on. You can put on awesome oscillators. You can put RSIs on their shitty Fibonacci's. You can put all the Bollinger Bands you want, put them on there, and the shit chart is still shitty. The shit chart, say that 3 times fast, shit chart, shit chart, shit chart, shit chart, is still shitty. You can put on anything you want on any symbol, and as we all know, they fail you miserably. So any other indicators that aren't the safety trade system indicators are a bunch of shit. They work partially once in a while, and a broke clock is right once in a while. But if you happen to look over and you actually put on the safety trade system right here, right, you can clearly see the buy stop form with the sniper. Matter of fact, let's switch over to the next one over. So let me show you what the buy stop looks like on Nike. If I can find Nike again. Sorry, it moved because I moved. There we go. And then Nike itself is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. So if you look at it, I'm going to show you all the ways my system shows you it's a buy stop. And this is how easy it is to trade. We have redundancy. Orange line stays high. Pink, purple line drops low on my sniper. That's 2 confirmations. 3 and 4, pink and purple cross. The pink matches this one rolling down on the 6 months, so the 3-month, 6-month. Then we have the red right here, fits inside the green gap right here. And then we have all kinds of green. Everything is to the left. The candles are green. All my price action is forming our buy stop. We have green right here, which green in my system means up. We have over here, if we move this right here and I actually show you what this looks like, you'll see it. Boom, there you go. You'll see the green candles right there. And literally, this is just 10 little things. I can literally get up over 30 confirmations with my system showing you that this is the buy stop. This is a 3-month, 6-month buy. I'm still high on Nike, to be clear. I'm 100% all in on Nike. I would buy somewhere around 120 options, long call leap options on Nike. I would go out over a year and a half. I would use the theta to my complete advantage. It's not going to take 2 years for Nike to go up, but we can buy the options for a year and a half, 2 years out. Buy them somewhere in the, because what we have the knowledge while Nike's floating around down here at 50, 55, 60. We know Nike's going to 110, 100, 115, 120. So we buy the options with the strike price out of call, out of the money, they call it. And you just go ahead and buy it then, and then you can go ahead and hold it for a while, forget about it like I do, come back and be up 170%, 500%, whatever it's going to be, to 1,000%. And then, yeah, and that's how I would call out my options. I'm not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay, so that is Nike. I'm going to look at one more symbol, then I have to go. It's going to be Palatar for Kim. Let's see. I believe that's the one she wanted, PLTR. Yeah, now we've looked at this before, but let's look at it again because we always do whenever one of our members asks or anybody asks. Big time in the money. What's up, Alvador? Filio, big time in the money. Yeah. Matter of fact, you already made money on the 2 options I did the other day, just so we're clear on that. All right, let's take a look at this one. We're looking at PLTR. And if I'm reading something raw, this is the very first way I would read something raw, so you guys can see this. I open up the symbol, PLTR. I look at my sniper rifle. It is an indicator that tells me whether on the 1 second price action is above or below our blue line. And it matters because it gives us the flow. When you understand if it's below and it's coming up, like the 30 second to the 1 minute, everyone here, whether they want to admit it or not, can see the different arrow pointing up and arrow pointing down. Yeah, I know. I got to go. But let's see for the 30 second, 1 minute, what's happening, because we'll be able to 30 second. No, 1 minute. Sell PLTR 30 second, 1 minute. I wouldn't play a sell on it, but it is 166 to 36. So $166.36. But let's go back up to here and see why there's a difference between the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4. Okay, let's see here. What this is showing me that there is a buy stop being formed at this higher time frame. So let's take a look. 2 hour, sell, 2 hour, 3 hour, 3 hour, sell to 148.83, but no matter. Palatar is actually a, 12 hour? Daily now, daily buy. Oh, beautiful. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Palatar. I don't have this on my list. We might have to add it. Things have really changed. This is, we're a little late. Fuck. Wow, this is incredible, though. This is a daily, weekly buy stop for PLTR. Oh, I wish we'd have saw this a little bit ago. I guess I wasn't paying attention or someone didn't ask or I can't watch everything at once. Let's see. This is awesome. Pink crossing the blue. Yeah, you picked a good one, Kim. This is fantastic. I'm going to have to add this. Do we have Palatar added to this particular? Hold on. I don't think we do. Okay. Why is everything running so slow this morning? Oy, oy, oy. Okay. We need to, let me get that. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Now. Yep. Palatar, daily, weekly buy stop. Take profit 1, $174.67. Take profit 2, $181.91. Take profit 3, $188.25. Then it will eventually rise above $200. And that is for PLTR. This is a daily, weekly buy stop. Does that mean it's going to go up immediately? It's going to go so slow, you're going to think fucking paint drying is fast. Just the way it is. Yeah. Let me see if I can get any other reads on it. Still a little far away. I can see where it bounced off. It's monthly line. See, it came all the way down here. This is what all your indices need to do, by the way. They need to come down to my orange line right here. Still, how low could we have gotten that? 150. Ah, that was big. We should have gotten that. Fuck. Love it. Can't give a strong enough buy recommendation to a daily, weekly buy stop. Palatar is going to do a little sell first, and it's going to flip and come back up. As it comes up, I told you exactly where it's going to go. You're welcome. This is my and Bree's way of giving back to the trading community, where we can go ahead and make these call outs, be 100% right, exactly tell you where they're going to go, and know someone just gave some dork ass, whoever the fucktard was that came out here, that, oh, you're just saying a stock's going to go up. I'm telling you, it's going to, where it's going down, where it's going up, how it's going to go up, how you can get in. Oh my God. People are fucking mentally challenged out there in this world. I swear to God. Just be grateful I'm on here. Just be grateful I'm willing to share these signals for free. Just be grateful that I shared the system with you all. I could have kept the damn system to myself like I did for the first year and a half. I didn't have to share this shit with you guys at all. So you should be thankful to God that I'm on here sharing this shit with you. Let me put it that way. You're welcome, Kim. Yes, everything's well. All right. So without my system, you don't know what the fuck Palatar is doing. With my system, you can tell exactly what it's doing. And here what it looks like with and without the system. It's night and day. With my system, you know exactly what it's going to do. You can clearly see this is green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, pink, cross the blue. Over here without my system, you have zero ability to make any decisions on what this thing's doing. No naming of candles or candle pattern is going to help. No nothing is going to help. But I'm telling you right now, with my system as clear as day, this is a daily, weekly buy stop. Easy peasy. Not even 1 second of hesitation. Thank you, Kim, for bringing this to our attention. We're adding it to our list. PLTR. Love it. All right. Any questions over anything I called out?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I got to get running, peeps. Any other questions? How to trade? I'll tell you one thing. This is exactly how to trade. It's kind of like how to get healthy. Do not listen to one thing they formally teach you about trading. It is wrong as when they told you, remember when they used to have the 4 food groups and they used to have this and that, and they would tell you to eat, all the grains you can eat. Eat all the ho-hos you can eat. Eat you're just, calories a calorie, and they were wrong. Food does matter. Trading by certain rules does matter. The safety trade system is a step-by-step system. It teaches you exactly how to trade the market and make sense out of the market when nothing else does. I can tell you where all these trades are going to be. I can go backwards with it, forwards with it. Easy peasy. Okay? So no questions. All right. TikTokers got to run. God bless you all. Everybody have a great Black Friday. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Hope you have a safe and great Thanksgiving weekend. God bless y'all on TikTok. See y'all. YouTubers, got to go too. YouTubers, thank you all for being here. God bless y'all. Hope you all have a very, very good weekend. God bless y'all. Talk to y'all. See ya.